Thursday morning, just been showered. Oh, hello doggy. And as you can see, it's snowing. Looking at the forecast, it looks pretty set in today. So, no mountain walks, but we'll find something to do. But I'm glad we got the extra night. We got it at a pretty good discount as well, so that's always a bonus. Hello doggy. I think that dog's called Kipper or Kip or something, but I'm pretty sure it lives outside as well, but that's how it likes it, so. And it always comes over to say hello to us. It growled at us the other day, but then it was growled at us for like a second and then came over and wanted strokes, so that's good. But yeah, there it is, just up there. Whoops. Hello. But as you can see, it's coming down quite a lot now actually.
Go have a breakfast. Glad we're not up a mountain today.
I didn't see that one, there's nothing on.
I know. Cold?
What?
Cold?
That's alright. Veggie breakfast, toast, coffee, and you have avocado, poached egg and 2 hash browns. Just been for breakfast at Granny Dalbeacons or something like that.
Something like that.
Not quite sure how to say it. It was really nice. Definitely recommend checking that out if you're in the area. We'll definitely be coming back if we're in the area.
Oh, yummy.
As you can see, the weather's, well, probably can't, but it's turned to kind of like rain now. So might have a little ride to Keswick. We need some tea for tonight because we're staying the extra night. And yeah.
A food-filled day, I reckon.
Yeah, food-filled day.
Maybe a couple of coffees along the way.
Yeah.
And cake.
Yeah, I'm kind of hoping it snows again because I think the snow's better than the rain, but
Yeah.
you've got to, it is what it is. But it's definitely snowy at the top, so you can't see them in a minute, but yeah. Catch you somewhere in another location, I assume. Made a couple of good purchases while we were out. We each got these actually. These are from Millets. These are long sleeve, top and bottom, thermals, men and women's obviously, and for a tenner. I mean, I also picked up this, which is just a nice little sort of rab fleece. I've been looking at them in Gork doors, but unfortunately hadn't had any in my size. And yeah, picked up that for £48, which is pretty nice. Ta-da! After a quick try on of them thermal baseless, we have both decided to return them because they are not great at all. They do not fit the best, which probably tells us why, since they're only a tenner. But maybe we should have tried them on, but we really couldn't be bothered at the time because we had a lot of clothes on because it was cold, so we thought we'd give them a chance for a tenner, but not for us. We've got a lot of wedges going on there.
Whoops. Chop them all.
What are we having for tea? So Jessica got some Meatless Farm burgers I've got some venison grill steaks.
Opposite.
Which kind of just look like burgers, but look really nice. We've got some sweet potato wedges.
Some.
A lot.
A lot.
Some mushrooms and some asparagus. And potentially might put some cheese on these.
Potentially.
Well,
Definitely.
morning everybody. It's our last day, Friday, and just getting sorted now. Get everything cleaned up. Just up here cooking some breakfast. We've got just some things that we use. Some mushroom, tomato. I'm cooking some eggs, which look pretty much good. So yeah, probably gonna eat this now. And just get sorted really. We have to be, checkout is for 10. So we'll be probably be away a bit earlier than that, to be honest. We're going to get everything in the car and yeah, we'll be off. And it's been a great little trip. We've thoroughly enjoyed it. We'll definitely be back. It snowed even more overnight. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, so probably not going to hit up any walk today. We do need to go back to Keswick to take them things back, like I said. Time to say goodbye to our little house for the ever present. This one.
Had a nice little holiday, and now we can't get home because the road is shut. We're stuck here.
Yeah.
Need to fill some time and hope the road opens. Looks a bit surreal. Just be like.
Kind of a little trek around Derwent Water. Took them things back to Keswick. Not entirely sure where this is going to end up. We've just been up quite a steep hill, which is why I'm blown a bit. Hopefully get some nice views. The sun has actually come out and it's pretty nice here. Rather than where we were back at the accommodation, it was a bit snowy, a bit cloudy. Slapping.
Hello.
Oh, they're shy. Hello.
That one's not. I just can't work out where we are.
We're behind you.
Hello.
Not interested in the slightest. Cat bells. There's some over there as well. I'm not sure what is. Oh, there's a boggy bit coming up. Ah!
Maybe face plant, I don't know what to be honest.
Boggy.
That looks even worse.
You got to handle it, yeah. Ah! Head.
Smooth.
a little bit of a walk. We're just going to pop for a coffee because that's just what we do. And I don't know where we are actually, but it looks really nice.
So pretty. No idea.
So yeah, we're at Lincoln Kitchen. I think we're just going to get something to drink. We're not too hungry at the minute, so yeah, I think I'm thinking a chai latte. But from that last clip, we were going to have a coffee. We had a coffee. We walked back to the car, and then we had a bit of a struggle getting home actually, because the way we'd usually come was closed due to the snow, A66. So we had to sort of go up to Carlisle and across to Newcastle and down. So it took a bit longer. It was quite busy. It was a bit of a boring route home. That's why you didn't see much footage. To be honest, I haven't really filmed anything since then. But we are back home now. We've unpacked. We've had tea, chilling out in my dressing gown. And yeah, that's the end of our little holiday. So I hope you've enjoyed it.